MLA ka Kleriat uba Kyrmen Shylla uba dairu nong elam keseng UDP ulapan pau gejing Kyrmen ke Baskem ba ukertong ka UDP uba VGK Kynta. Unyo gejing job na gebenta ka election MP sya ka Lok Sabha na ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency ke bedai ke election shteng samoy. Da ka bakedau ba ke UDP ke don kat arngut ki MLA ki than khasi bad Jantia Hills kabalong gejing mentoy ke Khraw ke seng ha ke election banuan. Bad ulati kena balada kini ki kat arngut ki MLA ke UDP rengkat gejing trailang bat ke HSPDP hapok ke kenhuan RDA kini Trishtom amdan gano gejing artatian men penjob yaunu kurtong ke UDP. Halor gejing ino akam uba Robert Jun Kharja Aren Pat uba Kyrmen Shylla ula pensyai bagani kalong halor gejing mon ba gejing sngo gejing uhi ba ke UDP kam syem ladai kedau ko ba penlong yu ban syem ke negarai kumta uba Robert Jun umla ban keno ekaseng halor kene kamat bad ulati kena ba kwa banong yai halor kani ula pen pauru ba kalong kebedan kam ban kersan ya ke sarkar MDA namar kani kan pen pawe gejing teli bad gejing klan jong ke sarkar MDA haga bedai ba gejing kersan pat nakaliang keseng HSPDP uba Kyrmen Shylla ulah kedau bahaduk mentah kidang long kawai bat ki Kyrmen bagan kersan ukurtong UDP hapok ke kenhuan RDA.
So filing a candidate is not needed also. Just we from the party, we are sure and we have to work hard. Yes, no doubt. As of now, we have seen all the party are doing the best they can for their own candidate. We also doing the same. So it's just that our people need to trust us because there will be a time that we get a chance to come and then seek for their support. But our people, they are very kind and I believe that being a representative from my constituency, one thing I can make sure that I will do the best in my constituency, number one. And after that, I believe my people, those who, of course, I'll have few supporters outside my constituency too. I would love to seek and then seek for their support so that our candidate will come into, we win this election. But if all of us, the 12, plus with the two of our friends from this RDA, if all of us work tirelessly, yes, no doubt, we are on the chance to win this election. Because as of now, total of 14 MLAs are there. So even others also, they do have equivalent number of MLAs to support their candidates. And some of them are below us. So this will be a good fight for all the party, I believe. His own personal view, and we have nothing to do with that because when it comes to a personal decision, he can take a call of his own. So we are not responsible for his, him resigning from the party. It's just that his personal feelings and his personal call. So when it comes as a party, uh, he cannot blame the party for all these things. That the reason is all because of this. And if you remember, supporting each other, being MDA. So we do support, and we need to support. That shows that MDA is united. If within the MDA itself we are separated, that shows the government is that we are weak. But by collectively we join hands together in any decision, that shows that the MDA too is strong and united. So as of now, so I have nothing to say against Bah Kynta. It his own decision and he take a call. So for that I have nothing to say.